YEONGWONHI Saranghae. What does this sentence mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is YEONGWONHI. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day, we're going to study about the word YEONGWONHI. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 160. YEONGWONHI. YEONGWONHI. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is yong, second syllable is won, and the third syllable is he. Pronounce it with me. YEONGWONHI. The word YEONGWONHI is an adverb, which means forever. And take note that this is an adverb that indicates time. Now, how do we spell YEONGWONHI in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable yong in Hangul, we need to draw first a placeholder iyong, followed by a yo character, followed by another iyong character. But this time, it has the iyong sound. For the second syllable won, we need to draw first a placeholder iyong character, followed by u, followed by an o character, followed by a niyong character. You would notice the wo sound is produced by combining the u sound and the o sound. It's the same as uo. That's why we will also include the u and o character on the Hangul character of the syllable one. And for the last syllable he, we need to draw first a he character, followed by an e character. And then, we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these syllables to form the Hangul of the word YEONGWONHI. Now that we have an idea about the meaning of the word YEONGWONHI, let's try to look into this example English sentence. It says, "Forever, I love you." The Korean translation of this sentence is YEONGWONHI Saranghae. Again, it's YEONGWONHI Saranghae. The first part of the sentence is our word for today, which is YEONGWONHI. This is an adverb of time, which means forever or never-ending. Second part of the sentence is saranghae. We already know that it means I love you. So if these two are combined, it would result to a sentence that means forever, I love you. So, looking back to this example sentence at the start of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the sentence YEONGWONHI Saranghae is simply forever, I love you. And with that, you've just learned YEONGWONHI. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 150 to 159. But don't forget our word for today, word number 160, YEONGWONHI, which means forever. Word number 159 is hajiman. This is a conjunction which means but. Word number 158 is korigo. This is another conjunction which means and or and then. Word number 157 is majayo, and this is used to say that's right. Word number 156 is nun, and this is the Korean noun for ice. Word number 155 is 안 좋아요, and this is used to say I don't like it or it's not good. Word number 154 is 좋아요, which means I like it or it's good. Word number 153 is 몰라요, and this is used to say I don't know. Word number 152 is 알아요, which means I know. Word number 151 is amado, and this is used to say maybe. And the last for our review is word number 150, jalgayo, which is used to say goodbye or go well. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.